Hello and welcome to the 2017 Tenere Tragics Tasmanian Devil Run, exclusively for Yamaha Tenere and Super Tenere riders. This is the 7th year we've staged it, first time ever in Tasmania. We head out 400-kilometre run to Swansea on the east coast, and then we keep going all week long before finishing at SMITHTON in far northwest Tasmania Friday night after about 1,800 kilometres, where all of us share what we call the Tenere spirit, adventure bike riding at its best on two wheels on Teneres. Day 2, and the Tragics are set for around 366 kilometres, this time more open country. Starts off with another forest run before trekking west up into the central highlands of the island. Mountain lakes, and then a big drop right back down again to the coastline for a ripper run down some gorgeous beach lines down to Port Arthur and the old penal colony for the next overnight stop.
Been on all the tragic runs now, up to number 7. Started back in 2011, which was the original setup by Andrew Clubb and his wife Tanya. So I've been on every single one of them, and the more you do, the more you want to come.
Day 3 of the Tenere Tragic Tasmanian Devil Run. Pretty much a tarmac touring day into the heart of Hobart, up to the lookout at Mount Wellington, drop down for a quick visit of Horizon Motorcycles, and then everyone headed out to the Lake Pedder Wilderness Resort at STRATHGORDON Dam, which, as you can see behind me, is wickedly good.
All the guys that probably want to listen about this year's Dakar, and someone actually asked me, did he ride at Dakar this year? And I went, no, I didn't ride at Dakar.
About 360 kilometres today, after all the festivities last night with Rod Faggoter arriving, which was a ripper surprise for the Tragics. We basically then came back out of Lake Pedder, straight down to Westaway, tiny little village for some fuel, then up to Wadamana, where there's a fabulous power station museum exhibit. Our technically minded Tragics, of which there are plenty, loved having a look inside there. The hills into Queenstown here, just fabulous riding, you know, whether you're a road bike rider, a dirt bike rider, or like us, adventure bike riding. It's just all here in Tasmania. It's fabulous. The final day was only a shorter 315 kilometre run, but what a ripper up the west coast of Tasmania from Queenstown to Zeehan, a quick little punt ride across the Pyman River barge, and then the fabulous Western Explorer all the way up to the northwest corner of Tassie